Hello everybody, it's Nikki here. Welcome to today's maths activity. We are going to be exploring some shapes today. Would you like to join me? Brilliant. We're going to look at the shapes, then we're going to sing some songs about the shapes. Then we're going to read a story that has lots of shapes in it. Let's get started. The first thing we were going to do was have a look at some shapes. I have 4 shapes with me today. Would you like to see them? Brilliant. Let's look at the first one. I have this shape. Do you know the name of this shape? That's right, it's a circle. Can you say circle? Brilliant. This is a circle. I know a little song about a circle. Would you like to sing it with me? Great, let's do it. I'm a little circle, oh what fun. I think I look just like the sun. Even if I lay down on the ground, my side will still go round and round. Brilliant. Thank you for singing my song with me. I wonder if you can find anything in your home that is the same shape as this circle. Would you like to go and have a look? Fantastic. Pause the video and then you can go and find some. Brilliant. Well done. You have found some circle objects. Great. Let's look at our next shape. Our next shape is this one. Do you know the name of this one? That's right, it's a square. Can you say square? Brilliant. Let's sing our little song. I'm a little square, this is my name, for all my sides are just the same. You can count my sides just to be sure. There's always 1, 2, 3 and 4. Brilliant. Can you tell me how many sides a square has? Shall we count them together? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 4 sides. This is the side of a square. This is another side of the square. And here's another one and another one. That means there are 4 sides to a square. If you pause the video now, you can go and find some objects in your home that is the same shape as the square. Now off you go. Can you pause me? Brilliant! You found some square objects, just the same as my square. Brilliant! Let's go on to the next shape. I have this one with me today. Do you know the name of this one? That's right, it's a triangle. Can you say a triangle? Brilliant! This is the name of the shape. Let's sing our song. I'm a little triangle, look at me and count my sides. 1, 2, 3. Whichever way I turn, you'll see my sides are always 1, 2, 3. How many sides did a triangle have? That's right, there were 3 sides. And if you see, just like in the song, no matter what way I turn, there are always 1, 2, 3 sides to a triangle. Can you pause the video and go and have a look for some objects that are a triangle shape? Brilliant. Off you go. Pause the video. Great. You have found some objects that are a triangle shape. Brilliant. Let's see our next shape. This is our last one we're going to look at. Here it is. Have you seen this one before? That's right, it's a rectangle shape. Let's sing our song. I'm a little rectangle, sing my song. 2 sides are short and 2 are long. I look just the same shape as a door. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Brilliant. How many sides does a rectangle have? 4, you're right. Now, there was another shape that had 4 sides. Do you know which shape that was? the square. Let's have a look at them. They both have 4 sides. But they look a little bit different. Do you remember in the rectangle song, it said 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. And you can see the rectangle does have 2 short little sides and 2 long sides. The square sides are all the same, but they both have 4 sides each. Brilliant. Now we said after we sang our songs, there was a little story. Would you like to listen? This story has 3 little animals in it. Can you have a look? That's right, there are 3 mice in our story today, and they are holding some shapes. They look a lot like the ones we've just looked at. This story is called Mouse Shapes. Let's have a little look inside. Let's see what happens in our story. The mice were running from the cat. Hurry, said Violet. Let's hide in here, said Martin. After a while, Fred said, I think we lost him. I don't think the cat could find them. Look, we've been hiding in shapes, said Violet. We can make things with them. Here's a square. A triangle on the top makes it a perfect house for a little mouse. Can you see they've used 2 of the shapes to make a picture of a house? A triangle and a rectangle make a tree, said Martin. The circle is the sun. Have a little closer look. Have a look at the shapes they've used to make their pictures. Aren't they clever mice? But these triangles are different, said Fred. Triangles are tricky, said Violet, but any shape with 3 sides is a triangle. And you see, they look a little bit different, don't they? But they know they're triangles because they have 3 sides. Fred put 2 circles on a rectangle. It's a car for the little mouse in the house, he said. 2 diamond shapes make a book for the little mouse to read, said Violet. These are diamond shapes. Here's 1 oval, 2 circles, and 8 triangles, said Martin. Can you see what he has made? That's right, he's made a fish with his shapes. Watch out! The cat likes fish, said Violet. Hey, let's make the cat, said Fred. Violet put on the eyes and nose. Fred stuck on the ears. Can you see the shapes they've used? And Martin added the teeth. Oh, it's a little bit sharp with their pointy triangles. It looks just like the real cat, he said, only better. Then the real cat pounced. The mice ran away. Quick, quick. And didn't come back until the cat was gone. That cat's too sneaky, said Violet. If only we were bigger. I have an idea, said Fred. I wonder what they're going to do. The clever mice got to work. Soon they made 3 big, scary mice. Wow, they are so big. And surprised the cat. The cat ran away fast. What a scaredy cat, said Violet. Now what can we make for the little mouse in the house? It's time for lunch, said Fred. Let's make him some Swiss cheese. Oh, I think they're hungry. So they did. And they've made some cheese out of some shapes. I wonder if you can see the shapes. That's right, there's a lots of circles and one big triangle because it has 3 sides. Brilliant. We saw lots of shapes and pictures, didn't we? Can you remember some of the pictures? That's right, we've seen a house and a tree and a sun. And we also saw some really clever pictures, didn't we? We saw that fish with lots of different shapes. I wonder if you have found some shapes at home, could you make some pictures with your shapes? You might want to take a photo of them and you can send it for me to see because I'd love to see your pictures. Now I've also put on a piece of paper like this onto the website so your adults can get it. And it's a picture of the mouse using some shapes. You have a big circle, 2 little circles and a triangle. Have a go at cutting out your shapes, sticking them together to make a big mouse to scare the cat. Thank you very much for joining with me today, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.